But did you know once I picked up hard pieces of snow that were really big, and like.
What's that?
And did you know what I did with it? I threw it at a tree.
You did, and did it hurt the tree?
There's plenty of trees, but it didn't hurt the tree.
Oh, good. If somebody had thrown it at you, would it have hurt?
Because it wasn't. Because no bark came from it.
Oh, good. Look at the baby.
Hello.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Hello in there. Hello. Hello.
Silly boy.
That's a great Joshua picture.
That's actually Josh.
Yes.
Joshua, baby. Oh, the baby's gonna squash.
There's the hailstorm. Since I don't
Can
have a
see the
computer.
hailstorm? Can I see the hailstorm?
He didn't really catch
Can I see the hailstorm?
Sure.